amazing heroes! See you again in this video. I'm Wandra, your English tutor, ready to teach you a new lesson today. In this video, we're gonna learn about exploring the glossary. But first of all, what is a glossary? A glossary is a list of important or difficult words that you can find in a book. And today, our lesson will have goals for you to understand what a glossary is. And after this lesson, you are expected to find words in a glossary to understand the new meaning, the new words that you are looking for. And by the end of the lesson, you'll be able to use glossary to find the words that you need. And in a glossary, you know that it's written in alphabetical order and it has a simple meaning or definition. You can find a glossary at the back of a book. Now let's take a look at an example of a glossary. Suppose you want to find a word that you don't know the definition. You can take a look at the glossary at the back of your book. So, for example, this is the word. For example, you want to find the definition of the word character. You want to know what a character is. For example, you are reading a story or an article that has the word character, but you don't know the meaning of the word. So you can open your back of the book, and then you can find the glossary part. There's the meaning of the word. Here, a character means a person or an animal in a story. And then the second one, forest. Of course, you know the word forest, right? But there's a definition of the word that to explain it clearly what is the meaning or definition of the word. So it's a place with many trees, for example. And then the third word is journey. A journey is a trip from one place to another. All of these words, for example, can be found at the back of your book in a glossary part. Now, why is a glossary helpful and can help readers in many ways? A glossary is useful because it helps readers understand difficult or new words. Imagine you are reading a text and you don't know the meaning of one word. So, you can easily turn your pages and find the word in a glossary section at the back of your book. The purpose of a glossary, number 2, is it can make reading easier and clearer. So, you can understand the whole context of the sentences of or a story better when you can find and understand the word yet that you don't understand. It helps learn new vocabulary so you can add your new words and you can improve your vocabulary by understanding the new words that you find in a story or in an article. Next, it can save your time so you don't have to look for the word that you don't understand elsewhere. So, the next purpose of a glossary is you can read independently and confidently because you know the meaning of the words, so you have better understanding of the text or the articles that you are reading. Next, it supports better understanding of the words or the context of the story or article that you are reading. Okay, heroes, how do you like our lesson today? If you love it, please give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are new for our channel here. Let's grow up and learn together with Hero Academy. See you on the next video. Bye!